Many people think CNC programming is difficult because it looks like computer code. In reality, CNC programming is easier than most beginners expect once they understand how machines follow instructions. CNC programming is simply the process of telling a machine where to move, which tool to use, and how fast each operation should run. The machine does not make decisions on its own. It follows instructions step by step, exactly as they are written in the program. There are three main ways CNC programming is typically learned in modern machining environments. The first method is manual programming, where the programmer writes G-code directly. This approach requires understanding coordinates, tool motion, spindle control, and machining sequences, but it also gives the programmer the highest level of control over the process. The second method uses CAM software to generate the program automatically from a CAD model. Instead of writing every command manually, the programmer defines tool paths inside the software and the system produces the machine code. This makes programming faster and easier, especially for complex parts and multi-axis machining operations. The third method is conversational programming, which allows operators to enter machining instructions directly through the machine controller interface. This method sits between manual programming and CAM programming and is commonly used for simple parts, quick setups, and shop floor adjustments. The difficulty of learning CNC programming depends mostly on which method you begin with. Manual programming takes more time because it requires understanding how machine motion is controlled at a detailed level. CAM software reduces this complexity by automating much of the code generation process. Conversational programming makes it possible to produce parts even without deep coding knowledge. Most professional CNC programmers eventually develop familiarity with all three methods. Understanding how they work together allows programmers to adapt to different machines, production environments, and machining requirements. Learning CNC programming today is easier than it has ever been before. Online learning platforms, simulation software, training courses, and apprenticeship programs provide multiple ways to build practical programming skills. Even without formal training, consistent exposure to machining operations helps develop confidence in reading programs and adjusting tool paths. Manual machining experience can also help accelerate learning because it builds an understanding of how tools interact with materials and how positioning affects accuracy. However, it is not required to begin learning CNC programming. Many programmers start directly with digital tools and gain experience progressively through real production work. CNC programming is not about memorizing code. It is about understanding machine motion, predicting cutting behavior, and translating engineering drawings into reliable machining instructions. Once this connection becomes clear, learning CNC programming becomes much more manageable than it first appears. If you're not following now, you may not find this explanation again.